Hi! In this video I will show you how to set up the Get Started button for your chatbot in Facebook Messenger. Let's see how to do it. First, go to Bot Manager in the left sidebar of your dashboard. Choose Facebook in the upper switch and select an account. Go to the Get Started settings. Enable the Get Started button and save. Set a welcome message. You can personalize it with the user's first and last name. Click on the Save button. Now, let's create the bot that will appear when people click on the Get Started button. Go to the Action button settings and click on the Get Started template to open the Visual Flow Builder. There is already a standard response set. To make our own bot, we must modify the current one. We are free to utilize anything we wish. Double-click on the text element to edit the text. We can also add additional elements. For example, I am adding 3 buttons. Give them text and select the type of button. I am selecting New Postback. Now, let's give titles to each of the postbacks. From the postbacks, add replies for when the button is clicked. We can add any type of reply here. For example, I am adding 3 different images. When you are done, click on Save. If we go to that page's Messenger now and send a message for the first time, we will see the welcome text and the Get Started button. When a user clicks on the button, the bot will be activated. And when they click on the buttons, the images we just set will be shown. Don't forget to visit our tutorials section to find more information about our tools and how to make the most out of them.